Hello everybody, and today I am going to tell you about integration, and I will tell you about two types of integration and how to solve those integrations, and I will tell you in detailed process and then how to use it directly in case of entrance examinations. Okay, so before that I want to tell you that please remember the formulas, and then it will be better for you. And after remembering the formulas, if you will apply the problems, apply the trick to the problem, then it will be better for you. Okay, so let us see here how to solve this type of integrations. Integration ax plus b into cx plus d root over. How to do or how to solve this type of integrations? See here, since there is a square root of our cx plus d, so let us take let cx plus d, I am taking t square. So simply differentiate this side, both the sides. So c into derivative of x is dx by dt, it will be 2t dt. Clear? So c into dx by dt is equal to t. I am taking dt to the right hand side. And see here, what is the value of x here from this one? X is equal to, take d to that side, t square minus d divided by c. T square minus d divided by c. Okay. Now put the values. A into x. X is t square minus d by c plus b, and put a bracket here. Then this is t square. Root over of t square is t. And what is dx? Dx is 2t by c. That means 2 by c t dt. Dx is 2 by c t dt. Clear? See here. Take 2 by c outside. I am taking 2 by c outside. Then simply separate it. A by c t square minus a d by c plus b into t is t square into dt. And I am writing in a systematic way, and this is the integration. And this is a by c t square. I am taking the LCM plus bc minus ad divided by c into t square dt. So now let us integrate. It will be a by c t square into t square. It is t4. So t4 derivative is t to the 5 by 5 plus bc minus ad by c, and it will be t square dt. So t cube by 3 plus integration of constant k. And see here, if we multiply 2 by c, it will be 2 by 5, 2 by 5, a by c square into t to the 5. And what is t? T square is cx plus d. What is t? Cx plus d to the power half. Here t is cx plus d to the power half, and t to the 5 means 5 by 2. So cx plus d to the power 5 by 2. Then plus, this is 2 by 3. 2 by 3 bc minus ad divided by c into c, it is c square. T cube means cx plus d to the power 3 by 2 plus a constant. So this is your answer. So while plus 2 exam, that means for 12th board exam, you should do like this. Okay. And how to apply directly? Outside is A, B, C, D. See here how I am applying A, B, then C, D. and c square is common there. So for every cases you should write 2 by 5. In the first term you should write 2 by 5. In the second term you should write 2 by 3. If the question is in this form. Here a by c square into this one to the power 5 by 2. Then this is 2 by 3 into BC minus AD divided by c square into this part to the power 3 by 2. See here, one example I am giving. Equal to like this, but I am applying directly. Okay, see here. 2x plus 3 into x plus 2 root over into dx. So, according to this process, 2, 3, 1, 2. 2, 3, 1, 2. A, B, C, D. So, what is your formula? 2 by 5. A by C square. So, 2 by 1 square is 2. Clear? Then, this part. X plus 2 to the power 5 by 2. Then plus 2 by 3. 2 by 3. So, BC minus AD. So, 3 minus 4. It is minus 1. So, minus 1 divided by c square is 1 into x plus 2 to the power 3 by 2 plus k or c. So this is your answer. Here, another question I am going to tell you. X into 2x plus 3 root over into dx. So how to do this one? Here a is 1 and b is 0. So 1, 0, this is 2, 3, 2, 3. So what is your formula? 2 by 5. A by c square, so 1 by 4. A by c square I have told you, a by c square, so 2 square is 4. Into 2x plus 3 to the power 5 by 2. Then plus 2 by 3. This minus this, and this one is 0, 0 minus 3 is minus 3. So put a bracket here, divided by c square means 4. Into 2x plus 3 to the power 3 by 2 plus k. So this is your process. And if you remember this one, you can do directly in the entrance examinations. Okay. And in order to check the answer also, you can apply. So if you remember this one, it will be better for you. Okay. So I am going to tell you the second form. This is the first form. And see here. What is the second form? The similar form I am going to tell you. Integration ax plus b divided by cx plus d root over into dx. Same process, slightly different. Let I am taking a square root under the part under the square root as t square. Cx plus d is equal to t square. So c into dx is equal to 2t dt. Here and here, what is x? T square minus d by c. T square minus d by c. So it is equal to integration a. And what is x? T square minus d by c plus b divided by root over of t square is t and dx is 2 by c t dt. Clear? And here dt cancel out. So take 2 by c outside. So it will be separating a by c. A by c, it is t square minus a d by c plus b into dt. So 2 by c integration a by c t square minus or plus bc minus ad divided by c into dt. And now then integrate. It will be a by c t square dt. It is tq by 3 plus bc minus ad divided by c. It is t plus a constant k and multiply 2 by 3 a by c square. It is t. What is t here? I have told you cx plus d to the power 3 by 2. Same process. Then this one is 2 by c square, and this one is BC. Write it like this: 2 into BC minus AD by c square into t. What is t here? Cx plus d to the power half plus constant. The difference is that in the previous form 2 by 3 to the power 3 by 2, and in the second term it is 2 by 5, this one to the 5 by 2. In place of 5 I am writing 1. 2 by 5 it is 1, 5 by 2 it is 1. In place of 5 simply I am writing 1. So see here, one example I am giving you. 2x plus 3 divided by 5x plus 2 root over. Same process I am writing ABCD, ABCD. Okay, so directly I am writing ABCD, A by C square. See here, A by C square. And here, BC minus AD, BC minus AD by C square. Clear? So I am writing directly 2 by 3, A by C square, 2 by 5 square. 5 square is 25. So 2 by 25, and this is under root part is 5x plus 2 to the power 3 by 2 plus second part 2 by c square. C square is 25, and BC minus AD 15 minus 4, 3 5 are 15 minus 4, 15 minus 4 it is 11 into 11, then 5x plus 2 to the power 1 by 2 plus constant k. This is your answer. Then write 2 into 2 4, 25 3 is 75, and 22 by 25 into this one. If the question will be like this: x divided by 2x plus 3 root over. So how to do this one? Here it is 1 0 2 3, 1 0 2 3. So what is your formula? 2 by 3. It is A by C square. So 1 by 4 into 2x plus 3 to the power 3 by 2. Then plus 2 by C square. C square by 2 square is 4. Then this minus this. So 0 minus 3 it is minus 3 into 2x plus 3 to the power half plus a constant. That's it. So see here. Actually, if you do mindfully, then you can do anything. Clear? So simply for class 12 board, you should do like this. In the complete steps, you should write. And for entrance examination, you should remember this formula only. So if you remember this formula, you can do within 4 to 5 seconds. You can write the answer directly. Okay. So I hope you have enjoyed this part and do the problems from your book, or I will try to give some questions. Okay, and if you are enjoying my videos, then please share these videos with your friends and subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you.